Good morning, students. A very prosperous new year to you all. Hope you enjoyed this festival and you are safe at home. So, now welcome back to the academics as our school has reopened yesterday. So, today is the first video of subject English. So, we are going to begin the new unit. The name of the unit is Exploring Values. As we all know, values plays very important role in our society, in our culture and tradition from our own country. India is known for its tradition, cultures and values. Values. What does value mean? Value means the way you return to anything. As we can say, if you have a good branded mobile, then you value it. Value in the sense you respect it. You take care of it very nicely. You don't throw it away anyway. It means you handle carefully. It could be said in that way. So here the first page itself, it says activities like puzzles. You can solve this puzzle in the form of Sudoku. It is given, can you put the numbers 1 to 8 in each of the square so that each sides adds up to the middle number. It means you have to furnish the total of middle number, that is 12. So if in each line you have to locate the numbers accordingly so that you could get the total amount is as 12. All right, you can do it as homework. So now I'll brief you about the story, or can be said summary about the unit. So summary of the unit is, one day Swaminathan's father asked him, what did he ask? Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Annas in those days was measured as rupees nowadays. Now Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. It says that Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. With 10 mangoes, he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much money will Krishna have to pay? Swaminathan could not do the sum. On the contrary, he asked his father whether the mangoes were ripe, for his mouth had started watering. So Swaminathan doesn't know the addition. So he faced this problem. So he went to his father and asked him, are the mangoes ripe? So if it is ripe, his mouth is watering, means he wanted to eat them. Swaminathan thought that it would be unfair to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes. He said this is not a good idea. The mangoes are not ripe. And 15 annas for 10 mangoes, the deal is not good. Swaminathan refused to do the sum. Father offered to teach him. So he didn't want to do so. Swaminathan could not accept that it could be 15 annas for 10 ripe mangoes. So he was not agreeing with, or could not making it out the calculation. Father seemed to be delighted in torturing him. He was quietly, happily was teaching, making him to understand, pleasing. Swaminathan thought in another direction that Krishna would not pay for 4 mangoes. Father angrily told Swaminathan to think seriously or he would thrash him. Thrash him like he would make him go out or he will beat him. He twisted his ears. Swaminathan did not know what method of counting, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. See, these are the basic maths. These topics are from maths which are very very essential. So that's the reason the front page offers you to solve this puzzle, in which you have to put the numbers accordingly so that you will get the sum of that number from each line. He would apply to get the answer, but he could not manage to solve it. Swaminathan thought if his father was in urgency to get the answer, he should go to the market and find out the right answer. He didn't. His father was very angry. He started thrashing and twisting his ear. Then father surrendered and gave Swaminathan the formula: one mango cost 15 over 10 annas, and Swaminathan was asked to simplify it. Swaminathan did not know to solve arithmetic fractions. He took up the slate and hesitantly reached at the conclusion that the price of one mango would be 3 over 2 annas. But still it was an incomplete answer. At last, after half an hour's agony, Swaminathan announced that Krishna must pay 6 annas, and he burst into tears. This is a famous story. This is a just brief of the story from Swami and Friends from R.K. Narayan's collection. You should read this book if you have. That is Swami and Friends. There are the mischiefs of Swami mentioned there, and you will enjoy it. In the next video, we will go detailed line wise or chapter reading from the book. Until you have to read the chapter as a homework and do this puzzle, solve this puzzle for your homework. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.